Right guys, Ed Shed. Day 3 of getting this goddamn engine out of the gearbox, out of this car saga. So, 3 days, filthy, dirty, had enough, sick of it. Honestly, I don't know, well, you know, hey, I won't even start this. Right, so there are some good points though. I don't know, when he put it back in, half the bolts are missing, thank God. Anyway, quite interestingly, it's had a brand new or reconditioned GM 400 transmission. Well, obviously it's a manual, not an auto. So they obviously, he must have used this because I don't know. We'll see. Well, I'm going to try to start the engine on the floor and find out. But I'll take you under it and show you the ordeal. Now, I've only got one jack. Stands there, the lift. The lift won't do it, so you can't really see. Can you see it there? Can you? If you can see this bolt, look at this. They used 9/16 bolts everywhere except on the goddamn starter motor top bolt, which is impossible to get to. They put that right out the bloody distance, and I've only got, well, it was 11mm in the end. I got 11mm socket and bashed it on there. But honestly, they're just idiots, to be honest. It's just stupid. I'm sure they did it back in the 70s, so you had to take it to a Jaguar dealer so they could read me a new backside. Now obviously I'm only trying to get the gearbox off to make it lighter for myself. Also, I don't want to take the front subframe out at the moment because of the steering, and I've got obviously going to have to do all that because that rack's damaged. Yeah. Under here you're seeing the little bit of corrosion we've got at the end of the chassis row, or the end of the floor pad, toe board. Exhausts refuse to come out, as you can see. Just generally scabby, but the gearbox is quite nice. So I've got it propped up on my homemade transmission jack, and I'm hoping I'm going to shove it backwards in there on my own. So I'm going to try and prise it back, hope the jack rolls back, and I get it out. But anyway, if I don't, I'll leave you under here with me so you can see, if you can see, to see what actually happens. Now if it doesn't, if it falls on me, when you see this video, obviously I'll probably be in hospital. But if you don't see the video, I didn't make it. I feel like one of those films. Did you get the gearbox out? No, you didn't make that mistake. No, you didn't make it. Well, you never got to get loaded. Right, oh dear. Well, that's not good, is it? Obviously the transmission oil cooler pipes, you can hear this, were damaged anyway, so I'm not overly too worried about them. They've gone anyway. That, I don't know what that is, maybe it's whatever it is. It's going. It's leaving the building. Right guys, here we go. Ready. Let's see whether we can look up that. Oh my God. You need someone to let it down at the same time. Ooh, it's on there, it's on. No, I don't like the look of this, do you? Does anybody like the look of this? I certainly don't. I don't know why it's not coming down. What's it caught on there? Can you see? You can see. Oh God, it's caught on the prop. Well, it's overbalancing. It's front heavy. Oh my God. Anyway, all right. Okay. Well, look. What we're going to do is we're going to put a zip tie around the front of that. Stop the torque converter falling off. If we can get this torque converter tied in, what we're going to do is pull the engine out while I try to let the jack down, and the worst thing it'll do is fall off, but I've got no choice. On my own, I can't do it. I'm just struggling with it again. Good old GM 400. put it back in. Alright, okay Ed. I'm sure this isn't an officially sanctioned Jaguar idea, but you know what I've got. If it stops the torque current from falling out, it won't damage the end seal. Right, so we're gonna get back out of the leading car, and we're gonna tilt our little camera a little bit there. You can see the sheer horror when the whole lot falls on the floor and smashes to pieces. Well, it was a success. Obviously it fell to that, but only gently. Torque converter didn't fall out, so that will remain intact. The only thing that gave me a bit of grief was the stupid dipstick filler shoe. But I'm not worried about that. That's going to be another day. Wow. That was good. Right guys, so you saw it. You saw it on the edge shed. You saw the bloody gearbox fall out onto the bloody floor. And it all fell out on the bloody floor. Right, no room under there. Dipstick tube, yeah, well, it's got two hours that come apart, thank God. And obviously the filler neck. Yeah, worry about that bolt was up there, look, right up there. Just impossible to get to, impossible. But now the next problem is, I think we're all in agreement, the next problem is to get the engine out. I don't know. Oh, you can see whether you want to come back for that. It's coming out. It is coming out. And you know what? It's going to be out today, guys. It's coming out today, whether it wants to or not, because there's things need to be done. There's plans. Oh God, I wish I hadn't started it. Anyway, we won't mention it. We mentioned it. I think I'll go away with it. Good. Okay. So. I won't show you what the foo bar was. I had to move the legs together to get in between the ramp stands. That's not enough to get the engine out back. Anyway, yeah, so gearbox out, engine's next. We need to sort of can it up, I think. So I need to do a short tube here, but if I can get it forward, let's see. We'll see. I'll come back to you guys when it's looking better.